Sa video na ito, ituturo ko sa inyo paano ma-convert Atomy bill ninyo into installment. Let's go. Unang gagawin ay buksan ang Atomy app. Sa ibaba, makikita mo ang bills. Pindutin mo lang dito sa bills, pindutin mo ang card, at sa ibaba ng available spending limit, may two types of bill. Billed or unbilled. Billed kapag yung inutang mo sa Atomy ay posted na sa billed section. Itong unbilled naman, allow Atomy user na magbayad ng mas maaga kahit hindi pa billed Atomy usage mo. As you can see in the screen, pay early. Tanong, paano ma-convert Atomy bill ko to installment? To convert your Atomy bill into installment, avoid paying early. Yes, avoid paying your Atomy bill if unbilled pa siya. Because if you pay early, it will signal Atomy na you don't need their installment feature. So, if you really are short in money and gusto mo i-avail ang Atomy installment feature, maghintay ka na mabill na lahat ng Atomy usage mo sa'yo during the bill date, tulad na nakikita mo sa screen. Once na build na, click Pay Now at napupunta ka sa payment plan ni Atomy, wherein you can choose to pay in full, pay in 3 months, or pay in 6 months. Tanong, magkano po monthly interest if I decided to pay in installment? To compute it correctly, let's assume that I pay in full on or before the due date. So basically, walang interest. But if I decided to pay in 3 months, may monthly ako babayaran na 989.52 peso. If you multiply it by 3, magbabayad ako in total ng 2,968.56 pesos. Subtract the total na babayaran mo sa original na babayaran na walang interest. So in total, may interest ka na 574.56 pesos in 3 months. By doing the math, may interest ka na 24% for 3 months or 8% a month. But if I decided to pay in 6 months, total ko na babayaran ay 3,543.12 pesos with total interest of 48% within 6 months with monthly interest of 8%. So basically, ang interest ni Atomy sa loan is 8% a month. Balik tayo dito once you selected your installment plan, tap Confirm Payment Plan at mapupunta ka dito. Select your payment method. For me, I will select QRPH para walang ad fee. Then tap Confirm Payment. Tapos mapupunta ka dito, screenshot mo lang yung ang QR or tap Save Photo. Open GCash, tap QR button sa ibaba at mapupunta ka sa QR reader. Dito sa QR reader, tap Upload QR, then tap the QR na save or screenshot mo kanina. Tapos mapupunta ka dito. Tap Pay, then this receipt will generate as proof of your payment. At makakatanggap ka rin notification galing kay Atomy na natanggap na ang bayad mo. Helpful ba at informative ang video ito para sa inyo? And dahil dyan, you want to support my content creation journey para makakreate pa ako ng more videos like this. Kung ganon, you can become my channel member by clicking the link na ilalagay ko sa comment section and by subscribing kahit 1 month to 3 months lang, it will be a huge help para sa akin. Or maybe you have a Atomy credit card and gusto mo itong maging more secure. Kung ganon, I suggest you buy a CVV anti-theft sticker para maging secure yung mga purchases mo sa labas when you use your Atomy credit card. May affiliate link ako dito sa Shopee kung saan if you use this affiliate link, makakaroon ka ng discount sa purchase mo ng CVV sticker basta na-reach mo lang yung minimum spend nila. Minimum spend at as of now is nasa 200 to 800 pesos. Depende na yan. So, since forward ka at the end of this video, most likely gusto mong matutunan. If ever kumuha ka ng Atomy credit card at hindi pa activated, gusto mo matutunan paano i-activate ito. May tutorial din ako para dyan. Click mo lang ito. O di kaya gusto mo tutunan how to cash out your Atomy credit card. May tutorial din ako about it. Click mo lang ito. So if you want more videos like this, forget to like and subscribe. Yun lang. See you in my next video. Let's go.